Hi, welcome to the engineering stream. If you want to learn about the installation, operation, and maintenance of electric overhead travel cranes, then you are on the right channel. In the previous video, I talked about the operation and types of EOT cranes. I strongly recommend that you watch that video if you haven't, to familiarize yourself with EOT cranes. In today's video, I want to talk about the electrical and mechanical components of the EOT crane, as well as the safety features. So let's get started with the electrical components. Number one, we have the power supply and distribution. Under this, we have the following: A, bus bar stroke cables. These provide the main power to the crane and its component, often via bus bar or flexible cable fastening systems. B, we have the transformers and circuit breakers. The transformer reduces voltage to the required levels, while the circuit breaker protects the system from overcurrent. We also have the control system. Under the control system, there are the following: A, control panel. This is the brain of the crane, housing control circuits, relays, contactors, timers, and sometimes PLCs. There is also the programmable logic controllers, PLCs. These are used to manage complex movements, safety interlocks, and the overall operation. C, we have the contactors and relays. These are electromagnetic switches that control the flow of high power electricity to the motors. We also have the master controllers. These are switches, often in pendant, remote, or control cabin, that send commands to the control panel to initiate operations. 3, we also have the motors and drives. Under this, we have electric motors. These provide power for lifting, trolley or cross travel movement, and long travel movement. B, variable frequency drive, VFDs. These are used to control the speed of the electric motors. They are also called inverters. And then we have number 4, safety devices and sensors. They are a limit switches. These are used to monitor or detect the upper and lower positions of the hoist, trolley, and long travel to prevent accident or over travel. We also have the emergency start buttons. This is used to immediately cut off all power to the crane in hazardous situation. It is the crane's lifeline. There is also the anti-collision systems. These are sensors that prevent the crane from colliding with another crane. Now let's look at the mechanical component. We have the bridge or guider. This is the main beam that spans the width of the workshop, carrying the trolley and the hoist. We also have the trolley. This is the assembly that travels back and forth, carrying the hoist. 3 end carriages. This is the structure at both ends of the guider that contain the drive motor and wheel for the crane's motion along the runway. We also have the runway. This comprises of the guiders and rails along which the entire crane travels. There is also the crane hook and latch. This is the attachment point for the load and to safely hold the web sling in place. Number 6, the wire rope. This is a strong steel cable used to lift and lower the load. 7, the drum. This is a reel around which the wire rope is wound and unwound by the electric motor. There is also the pulley. This is used to reef the wire rope, changing its direction. Another component under the mechanical, we have the gearbox. This is used to reduce the motor's high speed and increases lifting torque. And of course, the brake. This is used by the motor to hold the load safely in position. We also have the guide roller. This is a wheel mounted on the end carriages to allow the entire crane to move along the runway rails. And then we have the crane buffers. This is used as a shock absorber, reducing the force of collision between the crane and its end stop. Thank you for watching. If this video interests you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and do leave your comments.